Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic Chemistry questions for you. Here you have Thallium Penta Bromide dianion. You should find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. The V represents valency, which is 3, and bonded atom is fluorine, which is 5. So if you substitute in the formula 3 plus 5 minus of minus 2, which gives 10 by 2 equals 5. The lone pair will be H minus B, which is 5 minus 5 gives 0. H5 means sp3d hybridization, which is trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal means all bromine at the corner, tellurium at the middle. So the shape of tellurium pentabromide dianion is trigonal bipyramidal. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.